What's going on, guys? I got me a Asian carp, or should I say carp. I'm gonna make some padak. Two big ones. I think each of them is like 40 pounds, 30 pounds. They're huge. So let me clean this up, cut them up, and soak them. Looking good. Almost done with the first one. Still got one more over there. Now I'm gonna mix up with the salt and put it in the bucket. So this is about 15 pounds. So 5 pounds per 1 pound salt. So I'll put 3 of these. Salt is in. Just gotta mix them. It's all mixed up. Now I just gotta put in the bucket. I just use a Lowe's bucket. Got a little bit of over half bucket. So just gotta make sure the salt is covered the top. So it's gonna sit for the next 6 months. There it is, done.